Hello and welcome here at BASF booth of K-Fair 2019. It's now 1 p.m. and this is our last tech talk of today. With me here is Sebastian Koch, who is a segment manager, marketing, transportation, interior, and he'll be talking about interior concepts for future mobility. With this, I hand over to you. Sebastian, have fun. Stage is yours.
Thanks a lot for the introduction. So, as mentioned, I'm segment manager for interior applications at BASF. I'm responsible for all products of BASF that goes into the interior, made from polyurethane system, engineering plastics and TPU. And one of my main tasks is to shaping our R&D landscapes for new product and processes that are suitable for the interior of the future. Although there are a lot of design and concept studies for the interior of the future from several OEMs and tier ones are available, it is still quite unclear which new products and processes are needed. And to get a better picture, a clearer picture of this, we try to identify the influencing factors for the interior in the future and derive thereof products and processes that are needed for them. At the moment, for us, we identified 5 main influencing factors for the interior of the future that are connectivity, sustainability, autonomous driving, e-mobility, and the mobility mix of the future. And in the next few minutes, I would like to give you a short insight about ideas and thought we have how autonomous driving and e-mobility will influence the interior in the future. So, with an increasing amount of electric-driven vehicles, there is a need for additional and new heat management concepts for the car interior. It is obvious that every energy that is needed for heating up or cooling down the car interior to keep it at comfortable temperature level has to be provided by the battery and then directly reduces the range of an electric-driven car. There are studies in literature around claiming that at extreme weather conditions like 30 degrees or 0 degrees ambient temperature, the driving range of electric-driven car is reduced by up to 30% due to the energy that is needed to keep the interior at 20 degrees. To reduce this amount of energy that is needed for heating up or cooling down the interior, thermal management is necessary. You have to thermally insulate the interior by applying insulation materials to the doors, to the roof, to the back and the front shot, and maybe also to the floor. Furthermore, another concept to save energy is heating up or cooling down surfaces in the interior. For this, materials that are directly can be heated or cooled down are necessary. Or materials that have a high thermal conductivity to dissipate efficiently the heat from or to the surface from beneath lying heating or cooling cycles. So that means e-mobility will have a hidden contribution to the interior of the future, but it will change the products that goes into the interior, and there is a demand for complete new products for the interior, and it will change the way how the interior will be manufactured in the future. So in contrast to e-mobility, the autonomous driving will change significantly the interior architecture. So, with autonomous driving, the time someone is sitting in the car without driving will be significantly increased. That means the so-called driving experience a lot of OEMs doing advertisement with today is transferred into a so-called interior experience. That means the interior concept will be one of the key buying factors for choosing an OEM or a specific model in the future. So, and this is something we are seeing already today, that OEMs and Tier 1s have a stronger focus on developing brand-specific interior concepts and brand-specific interior body languages of the design. The products that are needed for this trend are design-driven products. They do not follow the rules of chemistry anymore. They follow the rules of design. And to understand these rules of design and these design trends, we're working together with our colleagues in the Design Fabric and the Creation Center to come up with new products like we did in the past with our Ultramid Deep Gloss, which is our Ultramid Vision, or with the Veneo Slate that you can explore in the Huma concept caravan over there. Furthermore, with autonomous driving, the interior architecture will stepwise change over the years. That means there is no need for explicit cockpit or for a primarily cockpit area. That means the dashboard will lose its prominent role in the interior architecture. Elements that are located in the dashboard will be shifted to the door side panels or will be incorporated into the seats. And may also the mid-console will disappear. For this stepwise transformation, we do not see at the moment any further need for new products. The already existing solutions are suitable for this transformation. In a summary, the main influencing factor, e-mobility, will have just a hidden contribution to the interior of the future and will provide significant range extension, and autonomous driving will come up with a new variant of design-driven products. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your last hours at K Fair.